Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox CPU usage problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do is just click here and then type background apps, and then turn off all those applications that you will find here, and after that go back and then click here and type view advanced system settings. Click settings here, and that's it. Now click adjust for best performance and click apply and OK, and that's it. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, open task manager and then click on CPU to see application that takes your CPU, and here just close all the applications that takes your CPU like Google Chrome. Right click and turn it off, applications that you don't need. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.